Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to update YouTube Music app on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to update the YouTube Music app on your phone, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. Now to update the YouTube Music app on your phone, first open up the Play Store app on your phone and not the YouTube Music app itself. And after opening the Play Store app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the search button available for us. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here, guys, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap on the search button at the top of the screen, or tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for YouTube Music by typing YT Music and search for it, and you'll find a YouTube Music app over here at the top of the list. Tap on it, and over here, guys, you can see currently there is the open button available for us, but in case our YT Music app required an update on our phone, there would be the update button available for us instead of the open button. In your case also, guys, if there is the update button available, then tap on the update button and your YouTube Music app will be updated momentarily. But if there is the open button instead of the update button, your app on your phone does not require an update. You can open it just as you like. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to this is how you'll be able to update the YouTube Music app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.